Okay, so the next topic is extreme values of a function. Extreme values can be in different forms. One is absolute extreme value, and the other one is local extreme value. Extreme value simply means maximum and minimum values. So for this function, uh, what is the absolute minimum and absolute maximum of this function? So the absolute means the one which is greater than all other values. For example, for this one, f of e is the let's write in red. F of e is the absolute maximum value, and it looks like this is slightly more negative, right? So f of p is the absolute minimum value, and for local maximum values we can have more than one. For example, this point and this point, no, only this point is right. So f of c is a local maximum value, and for local minimum value we have this point and this point. So f of a and f of d are local minimum values. So they are minimum values in a small neighborhood of this point. Okay, if we look at x values close to d, we can see that this is the minimum.